kids! Welcome! Today we will learn the English alphabet. Let's start! A for apple, A for airplane, A for ant.
B for ball. B for bird. B for bus. C for cat. C for car. C for cake. For dog, wagging tail. D for duck, by the trail. D for drum, boom, boom, boom. Dance together around the room. E for elephant, strong and tall. E for egg, round and small. E for eagle, flying free. E is easy, sing with me. F for fish, swimming fast. F for frog, jumping past. F for fan, cool, cool air. Fun with letters everywhere. G for goat, climbing high. G for grapes, purple pie. G for giraffe, neck so long. Sing with G in every song. H for hen, hat, horse. Hen, hat, horse, so fast. ABC fun will always last. I for ice cream, ink, igloo. Ink, ink, igloo too. Learning letters just for you. J for jet, jam, jug. Jet, jam, jug, so neat. Jump and dance with happy feet. K for kite, king, key. Kite, king, key, so bright. Learning ABC is a delight. L for lion, leaf, lamp, lamp. Let's all sing at learning camp. M for mango, juicy delight. M for monkey, jump with might. M for moon, glowing bright. N for nest, birds will stay. N for net, catch and play. N for nose, smell today. Orange, owl, ox. O for orange, round and sweet. O for ox, strong feet. P for parrot, green and bright. P for pencil, learn to write. P for peacock, lovely sight. Q for queen, quilt, quilt, quail. Quickly follow every trail. R is for rabbit, R is for rose, and R is for rocket. Read and learn, let's rock it! A fun world of R rhymes. S for sun, star, ship. Smile and clap with every trip. Let's learn the letter T. T is for tiger, T is for tree. T is for train. Learning is a happy train. Ooh, ooh, umbrella, unicorn, urchin too. U is unique for me and you. Umbrella keeps us safe from rain. U is useful again and again. Van, violin. V is very fun, give it a try. Play the violin, sing a song. V is valuable all day long. W, wolf, whale, and watch we see. W is wonderful as can be. Whale swims deep in the sea. W is wonderful, sing with me. Xylophone, X-ray, and X-ray fish. Make a wish. Tap the xylophone, ding, ding, ding. X is exciting, let's all sing. Y is for yak. Y is for yacht. Y is for yo-yo. Yak, yacht, yo-yo. Y, Y, Y. Z for zebra, zoo, zucchini, z. ABC, come sing with me, is fun and free. A to Z, we know them all.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning with Bajrang Study. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!